Hey Henry, Paul here. So let me start this video over. Oh, let me undo here. Okay. Now let me start this video over again. This is undo up here, by the way, and this is redo. So up here on the top menu. All right. So to get these on intersecting with this line, you can there's a couple of ways. You can grab this, and you're in ortho, so it's going to be a straight line. Go to the other side and click. All right, then hit your escape key, get out of that command, grab this, grab it into this line, take it back. Now you got an intersection. And then when you hit the escape, you're left with the line that you're looking for. Another way would be to grab that into the line, go over here to snap to perpendicular. See it? Snap to perpendicular. Snap to perpendicular. That's pretty, and the snap commands is something you probably need to learn anyway. This is a snap to the nearest point on the line. Like if you're, this is snap to the tangent of a circle. This is snap to a certain point on a circle. This is snap to the center of a circle. Snap to a parent intersection. I haven't tried that one. Let's see what this one does. Yeah, unfortunately, I can snap to a parent intersection, and I can go anywhere along the line I want. I can go anywhere along the line I want. So I don't like that command. I'm going to escape from that command, and I'm going to go snap to perpendicular. And so that's how you use these snap commands. This would snap to an endpoint of a line. This is snap to a midpoint of a line. This is snap to an intersection. But if you don't have an intersection already, your snap to intersection, I don't believe is going to work. Oh. Yeah, it didn't work. So, because there's no intersection there yet. So, so snap to perpendicular, or this double move of just grabbing a hold of the endpoint of the line, bringing it past your line. I think you can grab it again without having to escape, and then come back. Yes, it does. That works. So, a couple of different ways. And then you just to do an offset for your steel. We got extra lines here. So let me zoom out. And if you want to move something, let's say we want to move all this stuff away from that arrow. So we've got move selected. Now it's like base point of displacement. I can pick anywhere along this line, and let's say I'm going to move there. I'm going to move this over this far and hit the button again. Now I've moved it away from that XY. So let's see. The other side of the trailer is supposedly, let's see if I can read this writing here in the dark. Oh, it's interesting. It has a couple of different, at the rear, it's 80 inches. At the front, it's 79 3/4. At some of the cross members, it's 78 7/8. So we're going to make it 80 inches. So we'll click on this. Whoops. Okay, we got multiple lines in this. It's not all one line. So that's interesting. I'm going to make it all be one line. So that's all one line now. You have a bunch of little bitty lines, and if you swipe this way, with your mouse. Let me show you that again. If you just take your mouse and you swipe this way, you get the lines. You get the lines that are all in there. If you swipe this way, you get every line that it touches. So what we got here is if I swipe this way right here, I'm gonna get So here's our difficulty that we're going to overcome. I'm going to show you how to overcome. We've got all those little lines under this one big line. So we want to just grab those little lines. So if I was to do this, I can grab this line right here and I can delete it. I'll grab these little lines and I'll delete them. So we got one long line left. Here's the long line, and we can bring this down, and we can intersect the long line. All right, let's see what else we got here. We got some more small lines. So we got some more small lines. So to get the small lines, we'll delete that. We'll do that again. That's got all the lines. Damn it. So the other, it looks like one of the small lines might be off. Well, that's interesting. So there's our long line. And this line, somehow or another we got an extra line in here. So what we're going to do is we're going to fix that right now. We got this line that's extra. I zoomed in so I could see this line. I got rid of that line. This line needs to come down to snap to perpendicular. All right. Now if I zoom out on this line, it should be one continuous line. Yep. Still missing some cross members perhaps, but anyway, it's got the major ones. I'm going to save that. All right.